Why won't you just style your hair? Like 3 seconds.
You're infatuated with it, aren't you?
I am.
Daren likes to manipulate people and try and get to you mentally.
Craziest thing, Daren came up to me and he goes, "Hey there, buddy, how do you get your hair like that?" It's like, dude, it's so easy. Daren, I'm just giving you a hard time. You know I got nothing but love for you, baby.
Because he's weird.
Nothing but love for you, Daren.
He's a weird one, isn't he? Let's do it to Royal's hair.
Oh, that's funny,
Don't
Daren.
hit this into that hood. Let's move the hood.
That's funny, Daren. I guess Daren's a fun guy to mess with. I'm just more, serious about working on the cars.
You know how these hoses are routed, or should I wait till Mark gets back?
As long as it can't be that difficult.
Clamps?
All I'm doing is taking out some bolts out of the core support. Put the correct ones in there for the radiator.
Oh,
what are you doing?
So lovely.
Okay.
Oh, show me love, Daren. Show me love. Style. Cut, trim.
I gotta.
You look like George Clooney now, dude. Complete transformation. George Clooney, eat your heart out.
I have to look at it yet. It's just a bad hair day all of a sudden. Oh boy. Hey Mark, what do you think of my hairstyle?
So what all did you guys do while I was working?
Not much actually.
Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.